Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create and display a matrix using JavaScript. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, initially I have created a HTML head tag and a script tag, and I've closed each tag. So I'm going to create my JavaScript over here. So let us first create the two matrix. How to create a matrix? So let me create a variable a, which is an array. Okay, and I am also going to create a variable b, which is also an array. Okay, so I would like to create a 3 into 3 matrix. So I'm creating 3 into a 3 matrix. So okay, this is how you create. So you have created a 3 rows, which means, so I've created 3 rows. I'm going to include 3 columns inside it. So let it be 1 2 3. So let it be, this has 4 5 6. I've included 3 columns over here, 7 8 9. So this is gonna be my a. Okay, and the variable b also is going to be a 3 into 3 matrix. So I've created a 3 rows. Okay, 3 rows, and I'm going to create the reverse, I mean just 3 columns. So it will be like 3 columns. I'm giving my values, whatever values you wish up to 1. So I have created my matrix. So how to display this matrix? So first we have to create a function display in order to display the matrix. So let us create a function display. Okay, the function display. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a for loop in order to print the array one by one. So I'm starting variable I is equal to, starting from the 0th position till I is less than. Okay, in this I'm gonna pass either a or either b. So it's gonna be some variable. Let us assume that variable as m, some matrix where I don't know what I'm gonna pass. So either a or b. So I'm generally assuming it as m. So m dot length, it should be less than the length of that, and then I plus plus. Okay, whatever it's, sorry. Okay, now I have created a for loop in order to print. So how do I want to print? Okay, so document dot write, okay. So what I'm gonna do is, generally I'm gonna add a okay, literally okay, let me tell you about this. NBSP, I'll tell you what is NBSP. Okay, listen to NBSP. So I'll tell you. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna process the loop. I'll explain you this line. Right after my few lines of code. Just wait. I'll explain. I'll come to this line within a minute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print my first matrix, main dot write my matrix A. So my matrix A, okay, is equal to, and I want it to be, okay, my matrix A, and then my matrix B. So I would like to pass matrix A into display method what I have created, and matrix B in the display method. So when I am assuming A right over here, this M will take the A value. When I am assuming B over here, this M will take B value. So that's the reason I am using M over here, and I'll tell you what will happen. Okay, what is really going to happen is when I'm passing my A, this is my A matrix, right? So it will come here. So A, it will check whether A dot length. What is A dot length? So it has 0, 1 and 2. So this is the length of my A is 2. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So we'll be assuming like 0, 1, 2 position. So my length is 2. So from 0 till 2. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm passing the 0th element, which is nothing but 1, 2, 3, right? So I want this to be like I don't want the commas, so I just want a space in between it. So I'm giving a space in between these both. If you're not gonna assume anything, like if you're gonna leave like this join, it will assume as a comma as a default. So but I want a gap in between that, so I'm using like this. And next, break. Why I'm using break in the sense, how your matrix will be printed, like 1 2 3 over here, 4 5 6 right over here like this, and 7 8 9. So this is how your matrix is supposed to be printed. So in order to come to the next line, you are supposed to use this break statement. So next it will process the, then I will get incremented, so 0 will become 1. What is the first element over here? 4 5 6. So what is this 4 5 6? So it will be printed like 4 5 6 in the next line. And what is the 7 8 9? It's going to be like 7 8 9. So what for we are using this NBSP? In the sense, if you're not using a break statement, it will print like 1 2 3 space a 4 5 6 space 7 8 9. So that is the reason we are using an NBSP, which is nothing but a small space. Okay, so this is how you create. So when you create for a B element, so it will take like this. So I mean this array. So this is a multi-dimensional array which you will be using for a matrix. So I'll run and show you. See, my matrix is 1 2 3. Okay, let me show in the next line. So I'm taking a break over here, so that your matrix will be printed like a matrix. So this is how you will be printing your, so this is how you get your matrix. So in my next tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to add two matrices, A plus B. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.